Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Lord Buddha and Mahavira both died in the reign of Bimbisara, or it is Ajatsattu, or it is Udayin, or lastly Dasaratha. Lord Buddha and Mahavira were great spiritual contemporary personalities of the 6th century. Spiritual contemporary personalities of 6th century. They died during the reign of Ajatsattu. They died during the reign of Ajatsattu. Buddhism and Jainism both originated from Sramana tradition. Sramana tradition, which preached different religious concepts than Brahmanism or early Hinduism, which preached different religious concept than Brahmanism or early Hinduism. It is also noted in early Buddhist texts that Mahavira died in the lifetime of Buddha. It is also noticed that in different Buddhist texts that Mahavira died in the lifetime of Buddha. As the both religions originated from shared ideologies, as both religion originated from shared ideologies, there are several similarities in terminology and concepts. But if you dig deeper, both are very different. Both are very different. Okay, therefore the right answer is the second option, that is Ajat Satru. So we have successfully answered this question and give a detailed discussion about Lord Buddha and Mahavira uh, lifetime. Basically, we discuss about when Lord Buddha and Mahavira died, and in that time, which reign is exists. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.